front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and tap on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that location is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same icon. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section over here. Then manage all location of your smartphone by tapping on the switcher next to Location Access feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!